Hi, do you think you know what luxury is all about? Wait a little. After touring this house, you will have a fresh definition of what luxury is all about. This is a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex here at Chevron Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Guys, this is the house. This is what I call a home. For if you're looking at a place to relax or retirement plan, for those of you who are in diaspora, this is a retirement plan. Indeed, this is a home. Guys, this house has everything you want in a house. Okay, this has about 5 living rooms in this place. It has a swimming pool. Guys, the swimming pool area will wow you. Let me not bug you too much, guys. There's so much attraction in this house. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you this house. Join me, guys. Guys, this is the house. This is one of the best house we have in this axis, guys. This is an edifice. This is luxury. Like I said, if you know what definition of luxury is, guys, I'm about to give you a fresh definition of luxury here in Chevron Lekki, Lagos. Guys, just check out this environment. This is a beautiful place. And check out the house. You know this paved. The drainage system has been constructed as well. You can see it here. Then the level of the house is something else, guys. You can see. So, and we have this flower area in front of the house. Let me give it to you. Then, check out this house. So inside this place, you can park 3 to 4 cars comfortably. You still have some flowers here. So see this beautiful water fountain here. This is lovely, guys. And this artwork here, this Odogu artwork. So you can see that this house is something else. From the entrance. You already beginning to see the beauty in the house. Then we still have this flower here as well. So let's go around, then we'll go in. Let me show you another part that is so lovely in this place. So this is for the water fountain over there. So this is what is powering the water fountain you are seeing over there. Okay. Then we still see these beautiful flowers. This is lovely. Then this is the treatment plant. So this is the changeover area. This is the plant for the swimming pool. So we see the swimming pool now. This is the most beautiful part of this house. Just take a look. Let me give you the overview of this wonderful pool area here. This is lovely, guys. So we have this seat out here. One. We have another one here. 2. You can see a water fountain here. Wow, this is another water fountain here. Then we still have this beautiful area as well. This is lovely, guys. Then this is the pool area. This is the pool. Check out the back of this house. This is luxury personified. So as we go around, then we'll go in. Okay. So from the gym space here, you can actually enter the pool, then you enter into the living room. Okay. So let's go around. So you like what you see? See the flowers and see the design. So let's go. So this is the boys' quarter. See the big. You can see how sizable the biggie is with this single window here. And this is the bedroom, the shower. This is the washing basin. Then this is your WC, guys. This is beautiful. This is the kitchen exit here. So from here, you can see this is the kitchen exit. Okay, yeah. Then, guys, I'm so in a hurry to show you this house. I said I must show my people this house. This is beautiful. So we are back to the front of the house. So now we are going in. Time to go in. So check out the entrance with these beautiful lights. And see the light. So it comes with this big, massive door. This is a gigantic door. Look at it here. It's not a child's play. And it has a lock. So it has a lock, has a fingerprint, it has the bell, it has the button, then we have a key here. So it's a complete smart key lock. You can see. And this is the entire room here. This is an entire room. So straight from the door is the guest toilet. You can see this is the guest toilet. This is your WC. And this is your washhand basin here. Okay. So this house, remember I said it has about 5 living rooms in this house. I'll show you. So here is the living room spanning to the first floor. It's a double volume sitting living room. Double volume living room. You can see, I'll show you when we go up there, but you can see the inbuilt light and the chandelier light over there, right? Okay. So this is beautiful, guys. So don't forget that this is Kelechi of Kashmir Properties Limited, a real estate consulting firm that is based here in Lagos, that is making sure that you have real estate investment that is free from every form of government encumbrance and peace of mind. Okay, guys, see another living room. This is massive, guys. This is massive. And see how spacious it looks. The inbuilt light, the POP design, the speaker, guys. So it has another kitchen here. So this is your sink. This is your burner, and this is your heat extractor. So we have 2 kitchens in this place, guys. This is beautifully designed. Okay, and this is the bedroom, your suspended WC. This is your washhand basin for the terrace. Okay, so this is the beautiful terrace here. And you can see it has a wine bar. So we have 2 wine bars in this house. See another wine bar here at the terrace with this beautiful chandelier lights here. Then this is your island for the bar. Okay, and you can see the beauty of this beautiful estate and around. So you can see the terrace. And from here you can actually see the pool area and the sit out. You can see beautiful, right? So this one has 1, 2, and 3 flower pots here. Okay, this is lovely. So let's head to the master itself. This is the master bedroom. We have back and front terrace. So we'll just take a look at this. Is lovely. So this is your master bedroom, guys. Okay, so we still have this closet here. You can see here, like home office. This is your home office, guys. It's a table here. This is a home office from your master bedroom. Then this is the terrace, the front terrace. You can see the space, man. These guys, let me know what your thought is, please, concerning this house. Isn't this house amazing, guys? Isn't this house amazing? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 flower pots. Isn't this location amazing, guys? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is lovely. So this is your closet, your walk-in closet. Check out the light. So everything about this house is on point, guys. This is your wardrobe, you can see. Beautifully designed, right? Then we're walking into the bedroom. This is lovely. It's got the lights, limit lights. This is your shower area here. This is your wash and basin one here, and a mirror. Then this flower here. Then another wash and basin and a mirror here as well. Then this is your bathtub. And this is a suspended WC. This suspended WC is beautiful, you can see. So guys, we've come to the end of this tour. Please let me know what your thought is concerning this house. This house is going for 690 million naira. So give Kelechi a call on the number that is on your screen so I can bring you here for site inspection and closing up. If you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe, click the notification button. So whenever we make such a video like this, we'll be the first to receive it, and our returning subscribers will say kudos to you. So keep watching until we come your way again.